Across every industry, enterprises are building AI factories, strategic platforms built to train, deploy, and scale AI faster than ever before. But getting these AI workloads into production isn't easy. Even with cloud access, AI projects stall. GPUs go underutilized, infrastructure gets fragmented, and teams operate in silos, slowing progress and inflating costs.
I can't get GPUs when I need them, so I over-request to avoid delays.
I'm stuck managing quotas while teams wait or overconsume.
We're spending on infrastructure, but I don't have the visibility to tie it to outcomes.
This is where NVIDIA Run AI on Azure makes a difference. It's built for enterprises that need to accelerate operations, maximize their GPU investments, and scale AI efficiently and securely, all from a centralized control plane. With Run AI on Azure, you can do more with what you already have. You'll be able to run more AI workloads on the same GPU infrastructure, support more users without driving up costs, and break down silos that slow down progress across teams and regions. Most importantly, you'll gain end-to-end visibility from developers to executives, so you can move faster and easily measure the value of your AI investments. Let's break down how it works. Run AI on Azure enables higher GPU utilization through automated scheduling and the ability to split GPUs across multiple workloads. The results? Up to 5 times more throughput while supporting 10 times more users with no additional hardware. Run AI gives you the ability to unify your AI infrastructure. Cloud, on-prem, hybrid, it's all managed from a single pane of glass. Governance improves, deployment speeds up, and scaling gets easier. Run AI enables your organization to empower every AI stakeholder. Developers move faster, platform teams automate management, and leaders get real-time insights into performance and usage. The result? AI that's faster to deploy and easier to measure. With Run AI on Azure, your teams stop waiting and start building. AI projects move from exploration to execution with less friction and more control. Run AI on Microsoft Azure gives you security, scalability, and global reach. You get Microsoft's enterprise-grade privacy protections, Azure's seamless global deployment, and access to Azure programs that accelerate growth. Run AI helps your enterprise boost GPU utilization, unify AI infrastructure across clouds and teams, and accelerate time to value with transparency and control. Ready to scale your enterprise AI with confidence? Let's modernize your infrastructure and turn AI into impact.